the wrong way!
I couldn't see. I couldn't see.
I noticed that you put down your hand.
Listen. No.
Again, I'm unique.
You're unique.
What are we doing today?
Sledding.
Snaking?
I didn't say slave. Sledding. I don't know what it's called.
Are you ready?
We're going on a tube on the snow. That's all I know.
Alright, so out the house. Thank you.
Hmm?
You ready for this?
Yeah.
I say already, but you ready for this?
Yes.
Yeah.
What if you say near? I'm going to say, half-hour drive, man. Half-hour drive. Half-hour drive, but a far.
That's
See,
nice.
like when you hear people say they drive, like 4 hours.
So people feel that Jamaica alone have bad road. Kilcona, dog park.
Oh yeah, so now where are we going?
It's all man. And designer go, hey man.
So,
You can't do this
I
something.
try to think today before we leave.
When you can't do this something, you have to prepare this
Today
and
is not super cold. Hmm?
and
Yeah man, it's good. Today is not super cold. Talk.
yeah,
Yeah, today is not super cold.
it's cold.
It's not super
It
cold.
is cold.
But yeah, go. There's a hill.
My bottom dressed for
There's
this.
a slide.
My face not dressed for
do
this. My face is never dressed for this.
Huh?
You see me eye?
Huh?
That's really cool. Actually, it's a she would freeze out here. What's your dog? What's your because she not trying to already.
You say Yankee ready?
Huh?
Third time.
We're ready for meet Dominic and Damira them go. Are you ready? What does that mean?
A bobsled, so we can do this.
You've done bobsled before?
As in bobsled, I place the name again.
Where?
Mr. Mountain.
I'm gonna go on that. Look at him. Look at that. Look at him. Look at that. Renee. Hey, may I say? Whoop.
Go ahead.
Oh God, for the people them picking down there. No. Oh God.
All right, epic fail. Epic fail. Figure out the steering. When they walk come back up.
And here comes the dog. Wait for it. Wait, yep, there goes the dog. Oh my goodness. Nope. Bust my earphone.
Come on, Yannick.
Eh?
Come on.
Eh?
Do your thing, do your thing.
Oh Jesus. A dog galore.
So because of this, Yannick probably doesn't want to go. These dogs
Oh
are
my God.
playing and she's afraid of dogs. Except Oreo.
When I go in there, how me get up?
When you're going there, how you get
How
up?
me go get up?
When
But
you
the
reach,
first
you think
question
about that.
Wait. Wait. Me I try feeling something there. Wait. No.
Come on, Yankee. Why are you putting your hand? Here, reported from YNR News.
I couldn't see.
I noticed that you put down your hand.
Listen. I can't see because Look funny. Oh gosh. Watch out. Look at the second floor.
Was it bad? How was
Something
it?
on my eye.
How was it?
Not like it. It don't feel safe. It don't feel safe.
Oh,
One and done. No. That just now is a one and done.
alright, this is not gonna be easy. Itarakan. Oh, I'm going the wrong way! I can't turn it! I'm still going. I don't know how. I'm still going. Yeah, stop. Alright, so it's a whole new day. We didn't end up recording the ending of the previous video of what happened earlier because we ended up going back in the car
To warm up.
and then left.
Yeah.
And then looked at some houses and completely forgot to record the ending. But yeah, it was a good looking experience.
Yeah, so I agree.
She did
Listen,
one and done.
Snore did it on me. I could not do that again. If you know, you know. It feels very weird.
It feels weird when you get
Very
used to it
weird.
and it melts.
And that doesn't make it feel any better. Anyways, people, thank you for joining us. Remember to like, share, subscribe.
I want to do it again. Yeah, I want to do it again. But yeah, bye.
That would be nice.